Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. So we're coming up on something special, and I'm going to tell you all about that and the giveaway that's going to be associated with it, and what I would like us all to do together this summer. So yeah, was that cryptic enough? Let's get started. So in his book, Your Guide to Forest Bathing, the author M. Amos Clifford talks a great deal about the benefits to us that we receive from being out in nature. These benefits include a reduced incidence and severity of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. There is a lowering of blood pressure and the saliva markers that indicate stress. These are also lowered. At the end of your slow walk, you are much more relaxed and there is a greater sense of well-being. Well, in the second half of the book, he talks about while we are out in nature, not only be having gratitude for what we receive, but asking what we can give back. What is it we can do to thank the forest or the mountains or the oceans or the streams or wherever it is you happen to be? Recently, when I spent some quiet time in nature, I asked that question, what is it for me to do? And the answer came back quite clear. And it was two words: protect me. So I feel like I have been commanded by Mother Earth, by our natural surroundings, to protect them. And there are many ways that obviously that you can do that, but the one that I wanted to talk to you about today is pretty simple, and that is to plant something. It's spring, I think, everywhere by now, going into summer, and so plant something outside. If you have a garden and you've planted something already, let me know in the comments below what it is you've planted. If you haven't, then let me know, pledge to plant something and let me know what that is. I've already planted some tomato plants and chili peppers and garlic. But I'm going to be planting one more thing, and I'll tell you what that is in a second. But just think about it. If you, let's say that you live in an apartment or somewhere where you have no outside access, you can plant something in your neighborhood, in a park or any public space. It doesn't have to be big. You can go to one of the big box stores and grab one of their outdoor flowers or plants or whatever for $2, or a package of wildflower seeds, and then just plant it outside someplace. I have here, this is a seed of a coastal Douglas fir, and I'm going to take this seed and I'm going to plant it in a nearby oil field, or at least as close to it as I can get. And so it doesn't matter what, it doesn't matter where, just plant something outside that is going to increase the oxygen in the air and get rid of the excess carbon dioxide in the air. That's kind of the whole point, is to just give something back to the planet, to Mother Earth, for the wonderful things that she gives to you. So if you as I said, if you've planted already, then let me know in the comments below. And if you pledge to plant something, put that in the comments below as well, because Free Range Diva is coming up on 10,000 subscribers. I know, I never thought we'd get there, but we're almost there. And when that happens, there's going to be an extra special giveaway. I will be giving away cash in the form of two $50 gift cards. So, and the video that I'm going to use to do the random drawing from the comments will be this one. Hopefully we'll hit it sometime in June, maybe July, but definitely some point in this summer. Between now and then, I'm going to do everything I can to up the visibility of the channel so that more people will see the videos and will subscribe. And if you'd like to help out, then, and a video, you see a video of mine that you like, that you enjoyed, or that you thought was helpful, then share it on your social media with your friends. And that'll help the channel. We'll all be involved in helping the channel grow. And then the sooner we get there, then the sooner we can have our great big giveaway. Okay. So put something in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up too while you're at it. And let's try and do something really good for the planet this summer and this spring and summer. So yeah, I guess that's going to be it for today. Like I said, it's short. So until I see you in my next video, have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves. Plant something, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody.